Ano ba nagawa rin? Legal.
Tingnan ko nandiyan. 14 na yan. Ay, 13 na yan. Ay, 11 na yan. Papangako na yan.
May coffee ka, Tay?
Meron na, chef.
Sabi mo, ilalagay mo sa freezer ng ice cream. Diba?
Oo, dapat ilagay na.
Kasi,
Para,
chef, pabukas muna, chef.
para ano. Krusot ka na.
Sabi mo siya lang. Mario.
Mario?
Nice. Ay, dito mo lang natin ito. Hindi, huwag na. Ito mo lang plastikan yun. Hugasan mo na lang mga yun.
Here and then my whole left side for like almost 2 years I couldn't breathe. Just here. And then I went 2 weeks ago and then now I can kind of breathe. Why is it been good? No, but like, because basically the way he explained it for me, being Chinese, no, because I went to how many doctors and they couldn't allergy, they couldn't find what I took all the different tests. Then they went to triggered for rhinitis now? Not necessarily. Just like you want to know that. Yeah. It's actually to my lungs. But he was the first person. No, it's not your lungs, it's not your nose, it's my other parts. Like it's my something else. But this is where it's showing, and that's why you can't find it in your test. So they would have not your problem.